Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Mercy shown to thousands who loves God's law. February 16th. Love is the fulfilling of the law, and showing mercy unto thousands of them that love me and keep my commandments. Exodus chapter 20, verse 6. The 10 holy precepts spoken by Christ upon Sinai's Mount were the revelation of the character of God and made known to the world the fact that he had jurisdiction over the whole human heritage. That law of 10 precepts, of the greatest love that can be presented to man, is the voice of God from heaven speaking to the soul in promise. This do, and you will not come under the dominion and control of Satan. There is not a negative in that law, although it may prepare thus. It is do and live. The Lord has given his holy commandments to be a wall of protection around his created beings. Everything that God could do, he has done to manifest his great love and mercy to you. He so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Then rest in the assurance of the love of God. Not because we first loved him did God love us, but while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us, making full and abundant provision for our redemption. Although by disobedience we have merited God's displeasure and condemnation, yet he has not forsaken us, leaving us to grapple with the powers of the enemy in our own finite strength. Heavenly angels fight our battles for us, and cooperating with them, we may be victorious over the powers of evil. As we draw nigh to him by faith, he draws nigh to us, adopting us into his family and making us sons and daughters. To those who are faithful in his service, mercy is promised, not merely the third and fourth generation, but to thousands of generations. The tender mercies of God are unmeasured, and those who appreciate the love of Christ will be renewed in true holiness and brought into Christ, their living head. They will be followers of God as dear children. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for your further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.